So I had the chance to borrow a drone recently, and yes, believe it or not, the car wreck hunter was trusted with a drone that cost over $1,000, and decided to fly it in a place I know pretty well, mainly to get a cool video of the river. And I filmed a car wreck, a Vauxhall Cresta, that was in the area in that video. Anyway, that led to the idea of using the drone to find car wrecks, while also taking an amazing video at the same time. It worked a lot better than expected and I ended up finding a fair few car wrecks from the air. So anyway, sit back and enjoy what is probably by far the fanciest video that has ever been released by this channel. Okay, car wreck number 2 found with the drone. Or possibly multiple cars, there's all sorts of stuff in this pile. One of them looks to be an FB EK Holden. They're really all cut up, just remains of cars. Maybe they've been bulldozed into the hole. That one there with the tail fin looks to be an FB or EK Holden. All sorts of other bits of cars. Can't read what that says. I can read upside down, but I can't read that, it's just too hard. The hood of some sort of old car. Here's the back end of some car. I don't know what sort of car. The tail lights have been blocked up with galvanised tin, so maybe it was a speedway car. I don't know. Don't know what that is. Try not to die. I don't know what this car is. And there's an old. They've all been cut up. Maybe it can be identified off of the dash, I don't know. Standing on a car now. This is really hard to keep my balance. Not sure what that one is. This one's got a diff. That's a Mini. Morris Mini. I think it's one of the earlier models with those tail lights. I'm not sure what this one is. It's had its tow bar. It's an old style tow bar. Oh, that's an FB Holden right here. What's left of an FB Holden. Bumper off of something. So there's a whole car under here. Check out the hub on that. Something pretty old, whatever it is. I'm not sure. But that's the front end anyway. That's the front bumper. Maybe even 1930s era. Okay, this car's pretty interesting. I don't even know what it is. Looks to be 50s era. I don't know. I'm really not sure on that one, but it's interesting. And down here, there's half of another car. There's just bits of cars everywhere here. I don't know what car this is either. I'm not too sure what this one is. I have Vauxhall Cresta in my head, but I can't say for sure. It's got chrome trim down the side. There's just cars everywhere here. I think this is EH Holden. Not too sure. And these are early Holden FX or FJ wheels. So that's pretty cool. They don't look too bad, Nick, either. I don't think they've been here as long as everything else. Okay, drone car wreck hunting. Car number 1. Well, it's very wrecked. Today I found a car with a drone. That's pretty cool. I can't tell what it is. It's like completely wrecked. Bit of chrome trim there. And bump. It looks like it's a ute. But yeah, some sort of ute, I would guess. Old school, that's where the door handle was. Yeah, I'll see if I can find the other ones. Also a Commodore tow bar and a Commodore dashboard, which are obviously off a different car. The YVZ dashboard. There's another car wreck found with the drone. Yet again, it's very wrecked. And I can't really tell exactly what it is. Here's an FB Holden. What's left of an FB Holden. Like every other car wreck around here, there's absolutely nothing left. I think this might have been an old tip. There's just so many cars here, it's so good. Not too sure on that one. Oh, that's probably the same one. FB Holden. Not too sure what this one is. Haven't even looked at it yet. Station wagon of some sort, probably. And then there's this. They're just everywhere. The drone really is good for finding cars. Not too sure what this one is. Really not sure on that one. A door as well. Bumper off something. So I took a fair few more videos with the drone. These are not of any car wrecks, just of the river really. but the scenery just looks so good that I thought I'd put it at the end of this video.